For our N1 Neoloop product, it works really well with recessed applications in grooves. So what we want to show you today is a tight groove versus a looser groove. So the neon can be installed in a tight groove and very well. And once it's installed, the neon doesn't move. For loose groove applications, we recommend that you use these spacers. Spacer gets installed as you're installing the Neoloop into a groove. We would recommend these spacers every foot or as needed for keeping the Neoloop in the groove consistently.